Okay, so here we are in number 36. We're going to combine a lot of things we've learned in the last page or two. We're going to do pickup notes, notes that happen at the end of a measure right before the first measure. So it's not a full measure, it's a partial measure. And we're going to play on the offbeats. And we're going to slur. So pay attention, count carefully, and listen to this video a few times before you actually start to try to play it. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, play. I'm going to play on beat 4, the pickup bar. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.